A reno is something that some people aspire to do, and they probably aren't things that the majority of people do often. So I think it's really important to choose the right company to make sure that they are going to listen to you, because you do want the experience to be good. We did this build in the middle of COVID. We started talking to M.J.Harris during the middle of COVID. We started as lockdowns were starting to ease, but suppliers did mean that we couldn't get things when we wanted to. You know, the project was delayed, so I think just be prepared for that, because I think that's probably something that we weren't. We were taking the end date as kind of gospel.
Accepting that projects may well take a lot longer than you'd hopefully expect them to. Yeah, the trades were fantastic. We had a few of the same trades who were here throughout the whole project. So for any given trade, as far as I was aware at least, we had the same chippy, the same electrician, etc. doing the project for us, which was fantastic. It was nice when we came back that we were able to talk to these guys who we'd begun to know quite well, I guess, over the months. Yes, we would definitely recommend M.J.Harris. The product that we're left with today is fantastic. We're really, really happy with it. It aligns with the goals that we had at the beginning of the project. We feel that our wants and our needs for this project were really listened to.
I think that, it's all come to life, hasn't it? The dream.
Yeah, absolutely. We're very happy.